इक अलफ पढ़ो छुटकारा है। इक अल्फों दो तीन चार होए, फिर लख करोड़ हज़ार होए, फिर ओथों bahj शुमार होए। हिक अलफ दा नुqtaa niyaaraa है। इक अलफ पढ़ो छुटकारा है। इक अलफ पढ़ो छुटकारा है। Reciting just one alif will liberate you. इक अल्फों दो तीन चार होए, फिर लख करोड़ हज़ार होए, फिर ओथों bahj शुमार होए। हिक अलफ दा नुqtaa niyaaraa है। From one alif came two, three, four. Then were millions and billions, thousands, and ultimately became beyond count. The mystery of Alif is wonderful. एक अलफ पढ़ो छुटकारा है। Reciting just one alif will liberate you. These words from Baba Bulleh Shah represents unity and the beginning of the whole universe, offering us insight not only into spirituality but also into the mysteries of creation itself. What is this alif that Baba Bulleh Shah is referring to? The letter alif is the first letter of many alphabets, notably the Arabic script and many writing systems derived from this such as Persian, Punjabi, Sindhi and Urdu. Even the word alphabet comes from alpha and beta. Alpha is the equivalent of alif. Alif symbolizes the oneness of the divine. It represents the source of all creation, a singular energy from which everything else unfolds. Like many Sufi poets, Baba Bulleh Shah regard alif as the symbol of Allah, the divine creator who has created everything. From one alif came two, three, four, then billions in count. Here Bulleh Shah poetically expresses the concept of creation emanating from the divine oneness into the countless forms and beings in the universe. This idea, born from centuries old spiritual insight, aligns remarkably with what science tells us today. In the 20th century, scientists discovered that the DNA of all living beings shares a universal code. From the simplest single called amoeba to complex human beings, all of life carries the same fundamental genetic structure. This self-replicating process is almost like a modern-day echo of Bulleh Shah's vision. A single origin or alif creating life in infinite diversity. From one alif, two resulted, then four, then millions. Then they became uncountable. What we know about self-replication in the cell and the amoeba? Bulleh Shah knew in some conception in a Punjab village in the 18th century. To recite Alif means to meditate on this oneness, to see beyond your individual forms and differences, and to realize that we all come from the same source. So when Bulleh Shah says reciting just one alif liberate you, he is calling us to a deeper understanding of our shared essence. In embracing this truth, we find freedom from the illusions that divide us. This is the liberation he speaks of, a liberation that unites us with the divine and with each other. Through one alif, one origin, we are all connected. And understanding this connection, this mystery of alif, is the path to true peace and unity.